Today we are going to talk about algebra. For one, we are going to define algebra. We're also going to talk about linear graphs, equations, and expressions.
Okay, so to find the expression, we have to make a table. And now, let's make the table. So, easy and simple. Little square or rectangle, whatever you want to say. Okay, I know it's not perfect, I'm sorry. Alright, so now we have to make 3 columns for this table. Now, the first one would be, well, the hours she works. That would be hours. And that would be our age. Okay? Now, our expression goes right here. And our pay goes right here. And that would be our P. Now, we have a certain amount of hours that she's going to start working. So, let's say she works for 0 hours. Let's just list our hours for now. And then 1 hour, 2 hours, and then 4 hours. We're skipping the 3. Okay? And then here is our expression. But we don't know our expression yet. But in order to find it, we know that she gets paid $20. So, our $20 goes right here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our hours that she's working, like the pay that she gets, by the hours that she's working. So, we multiply 20 times 0, and 20 times 0 is 0. So, she doesn't get a pay, right, if she doesn't work. Alright, so now, the $20 that she gets paid times 1 hour that she works is $20. And now, she works for 2 hours, so we just multiply that by 2. 20 times 2 equals 40. And now, we're going to skip the 3, which is easy, still. We're going to multiply it by 4. 2 times 4 is 8, and we just add the 0, and that would be 80. And all you have to do is multiply the hours that she works for the to find the expression. You just multiply it. And this would be our age, and it would be 20 times age, and that equals a pay. And so here, our expression would be 20h, which would mean $20 times the hours she works.
Today we're going to talk about equations. We're going to make an equation for the problem. Jessica works for $20 an hour. What would the equation be? She works for 4 hours. An example of an equation has an equal sign and variables. An example of an equation is P equals 4x minus 20. X equals 4x plus 30. Now it's time to find the equation. First, this is the expression table, and this is the hours, which is H, and there's 0 to 4 hours, and this is P, which is the pay she gets per hour. So the equation is P, which is the pay, equals $20 she gets paid per hour, times H, the number of hours she works.
Today we're going to talk about linear graphs. To make a linear graph, we're going to use the example of Jessica works for $20 an hour. What would the linear graph be if she works for 4 hours? Okay, so first step, we're going to make a table. The table's going to have the hours, the expression, and the pay. So if she works for 0 hours, she's obviously going to get 0. If she works for 1 hour, she's going to get 20. You times it. If she works for 2 hours, you're going to get 40. And if she works for 4 hours, you're going to get 80. The expression is 20 times h, which is hours. And then you're going to take this column and fit it right here. So you're going to make that. Then you're going to put the hours on the bottom. And then you're just going to connect the dots. The end.